Hey, what's up, YouTube? Oh, shit. Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy CO Josiah, man. And today, I'm getting a muffler delete or a downpipe on my Mozzie, you feel me? We're gonna see what happens. And my boy, he has a Scat Pack charger. He just got it. And he's about to get a muffler delete as well.
Ooh, CO pull up in that coupe. Ooh, 100K in the coupe. Ooh, what you gon' fucking do? Ooh, when it's just me and you.
Yo, you feel me? Scat Pack, man, getting deleted right now, man. Come on. Oh, me. Yes, sir. Had to bring the camera back out. Man, I had to bring the camera back out. Hey, man.
We really in here. You wanna be?
Let's see what the Jag doing. Mitri got the Jag.
He's got a lot of stuff on here. I'll quiet it down. Biggest things are the mufflers in the back. Straight big things coming, you feel me? Niggas just got the new whips. Gonna take over this social media shit.
Got to.
You feel me? Don't pay attention to the hair. Nigga just woke up and had to.
Mitri's getting his new exhaust. I think he's getting a muffler delete. Scat Pack Matt is getting muffler delete. I think exhaust as well. I think I'm just gonna get straight downpipes to make my car sound louder. I'm gonna get it tuned. I think the tune chip is like 80 horsepower plus 80 plus more horsepower. I think my shit's like 404 right now. It's gonna be like 480, some shit. But look, we're in the Mozzie 2015 peanut butter seats. Feel me? No, I ain't gonna do too much. I fuck with all y'all. Keep liking, subscribing, man. Yeah. I'm high as fuck, too. Oh, my nigga, help me! I just lost the spot! Hey, man. I ain't trying to get hit, though. I'm not trying to get hit! Ah, shit. What are you gonna do to the Mozzie? I was gonna take out the resonator, but too much stuff to take out because it's too close together. So right now I'm just gonna take out the wide body. How much you?
$325 plus tax for 2 white pipes, muffler deletes, and then weld your tips back on.
Alright. $325 for the muffler delete. Alright. I didn't come here for no reason. This muffler about to get deleted. Keep my old parts just in case I need it for later. And I might need my brake key right now. It's $325 for the whole thing. Fuck it. Alright. Yeah. We got the Scats in it, man. Yeah, that shit tinted. That shit was loud as fuck, bro. What the hell? Peanut butter guts, man. CO Josiah and Mozzie, man. Yes, sir. Bro, no
Like
cap.
it?
I love that shit. Lucky work.
Yeah. All the racks, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We cause a habit, chilling in Miami, fast cars, mansions. That's another thing. We got AR-10, cause money from everything. We got some trucks.
Jack right there. But I'm gonna get out the camera because I'm going at a high rate of speed and that's dumb to be recording. So yeah, Jack Mozzie. I'm gonna get y'all when I'm off the road. Nigga stopped on the side of the road. Said you can't go nowhere. What happened, bro?
It literally, like I don't know if I'm like I was pressing the gas and the RPM was going up like a little bit, but it wasn't moving. I think it's good, but I don't know what just happened. No check engine light. It just kind of like stopped moving, literally.
Like slow down?
Yeah, like I was
By
pressing the
itself?
gas. Like when I slowed down, I wasn't trying to. It just literally. But,
I put it in drive, try to go up a little bit.
no, it will let me. It feels different though.
I don't know, Michu had to stop because his computer was tripping his car, he said. Like, he's talking about, like, I guess this time when he tried to pass 125, slowed down by itself. Something like that. Alright, guys, well, so that little action. I guess we have to wait till we get back to Michu. I'll see what's wrong with his car. Hopefully everything's fine. Like and subscribe for this, bro. Are you okay? We had a little breakdown on the thing, man, but alright, we'll get it fixed.
Alright, man. Alright.
Tune's on the way. Are you looking at the
I got a homegirl. She a promoter in Orlando. About to pull up on her. Be doing business with her. I'm about to go support her underwear brand, Hustlers Club. You feel me? Cause I'm a hustler, you did. So me and Michu and the Jack, we about to pull up on her right now. Yo, nigga. Yo, nigga, post right here, nigga. Yo. Hey, yo. Hey, man. Hey, me. Hey, yo, me.
And we need to really to go crazy, like to go crazy. We really need to go get an Airbnb with a movie theater and a game room, bro. For real.
Yeah. Hustler Club, man. Had to go cop. Had to go call the Hustle Club,
Hey,
you
already
feel
know,
me?
listen, the Hustle Way, the Hustle Club. Hey, everybody can't join. Please.
Yeah.
Hey, look, my first
Mozzie
video-
way.
My first video, I
Okay.
got all the vendors, like every vendor directly to it. I got clothing line vendor, shoe vendor, purse vendor, eyelash vendor. I got every vendor. You can take parties with that in the crowd.
Yeah.
Hey,
Straight up, like this. Okay, hey, okay.
As soon as the club open back out here.
Dead Life of CEO decided, man, you feel me? She has a brand, boxers, underwear. Came to buy some.
We always stop by. We been for one, like a minute. Private property. If you didn't abide by the rules. Alright, we're leaving. Alright, yeah.
Security came, try to set shit down. No slide. I'm about to slide back to the crib. I'm hit y'all, just look. Tag in, Key Richie on Instagram. Hustle Club, I'm gonna put her at name right here, I got her. Hey man, go shop. We had a long day, video vlog today. Was getting us all muffler deletes, man. Yo, Scott. Jack Mozzie, man. Like and subscribe for today's video. If you want more, I need 1,000 likes.
Bye vlog. Have a great one.